None of this was here, this fencing, all the fencing. One barn, it's 30 acres, that fence going around. And I named this Dusty Roads. He's got motorcycles, Porsches, all kinds of fancy cars. And I said, man, what did you buy this for, man? Dusty Roads. He's like, oh my God, I never thought of that. He said, so for the last year, everybody in the owners call it Dusty Roads. When it rains, we call it Muddy Roads. And here comes the damn dogs. That lady's mean as hell over there. But yeah, pretty place. $325 cash, 30 acres. Yeah. That lady come out wanted to kill me one day, told me I rode on her grass, and I didn't. And we're going out like a band of gypsies. We're trying to get to Helen. Place up in Helen. Got a bunch of work to do up there. And we're off. Jawbone.